Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. After that, click on Advanced. Scroll down and tap on Font Size. Lastly, swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it, and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!